Today, I'm teaching you how to loop a video on your Instagram story. Instagram doesn't have a loop button like YouTube, but here are a few ways to do it. First option. Open Instagram and swipe right to enter the story camera. Tap Boomerang from the side menu. Record a short clip. It will automatically play forward and backward in a loop. You can even add effects or slow it down. Second option. If your video is longer, create a reel instead. Upload your video and use the align tool to stitch repeat clips. Once done, you can post it to your story by tapping the share arrow, add to your story. It will loop naturally as Reels autoplay. You can also use free apps like InShot or CapCut to duplicate the video clip several times before uploading it to Instagram stories. Instagram stories auto-loop for viewers anyway, but this makes it seamless. So now your story can look just the way you want, perfect for showing off a cool moment again and again.